Today's featured car of the day is a 1961 Dodge Dart Phoenix 500. And this one I filmed at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California, where it sold for $40,500. And the seller's description mentioned, it said, very clean, rare Dart built in Australia, has a 383 engine. Interior has been redone, engine rebuilt, power seats, remote mirrors, very clean and runs great. And it had 75,327 miles. So that's probably the reason why it sold for a good price. And it was a nice car. It had a good look to it, being silver with the tri-tone interior. Definitely was a looker, that's for sure. This was actually the first generation for the Dart. 1960 and 61 were the only 2 years for the first generation. Production figures for Dodge, actually for 1961, total production was 269,367 vehicles. And out of that, 142,000 were the Dart. And out of that, 37,300 were the Dart Phoenix. And I'm not sure how many of them were built in Australia, but this one was said to be. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1961 Dodge Dart Phoenix 500, built in Australia, sold for $40,500 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel Car Finder with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. In the meantime, enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks for watching. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.